Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Kunal, and today I'll show you how you can connect your Google Drive, Google Sheets, Google Doc, or any other Google asset with N8N so that you can later use them maybe as your CRM or to upload some file or to download some file or to do many actions. So it's not that straightforward, but it's pretty easy though. So just follow me along, and I promise you, after today, you will not face any difficulty in connecting your sheets. And I would also suggest you to just save the video so that you can also go through it any other time you would want. Also, do like and subscribe the channel if you like the video. So moving forward, let me just add couple of notes. So as you can see that we have lots and lots of notes available. What we'll do, we'll add Google Doc. Okay. So now what we'll do, whenever we click on it, we'll create a new document. For that, we need to connect our Google Docs. So as you can see that I have already one connected, but we'll do it from scratch. Simply click on create new credentials and click on open docs. Here you will find that you need to go to the cloud console. Just click here and cloud.google.com. So if you have not created an account over there, you need to create one account. So just go ahead and create one account. So this is the credentials it is asking. I'll add my credentials. Cool, I'm in. After that, click on API and auth service. So see, I have created multiple projects, but if you have not created any project, you have to create a new project as well. You can create any project. I'll just add Google Docs. It's created. After that, click on enable API and services. Simply click on it. Okay. Now search for the service. Like we are using docs as of now. Simply search for docs. We have to enable it. Cool. We have enabled our credentials. Now we have to create an API key or auth. Just click on oAuth consent screen and get started. You have to name the app, docs, an email. We'll keep it internal for now. Done. Now clicking on create oAuth client. You have to choose web application. Again, you have to name it. Here, as you can see that we have to add authorized redirect URIs. How will you find it? Simply go back and you will find a redirect URI here. Paste it here and create. Once clicking on create, it will give you a client ID. It should also give you a client secret. Here is your client secret. Simply paste your client ID and click here and paste your client secret. So once that is done, simply click on sign in with Google. Now make sure that you are using the same Gmail account which you used to sign in and give the access. Done. It will redirect. So the account is connected successfully. Now to test out, these are the credentials. I'll simply name it talks. Okay. Let me add again. Create a doc. Showing error fetching. So maybe we have did something wrong here. Should not give any error. See, as you can see here, it does not give me any error. Okay, so we need to connect the drive as well. Cool, we'll do it. Again, go back and click on API services. Enable API. We'll enable drive this time. Google Drive API. Just click on enable. Click on credentials. So we are going to create one credentials. Drive. Let's add the drive. We need to create a file from text, delete a file, upload share file. You can use anything. Just click any one. Create new credential. This is the oAuth or oAuth redirect UI. Simply copy it, go here, paste it here, click on create. Copy the client ID. Go back, copy the client secret, paste here, click on sign in. Again, you have to sign in, give access. Cool, let's just name it drive. So we have connected the drive as well. Let's see. We are getting the option to save it now. I'll simply remove it. Now what we are doing is we need to create a new Google Doc whenever we just click a manual trigger. Okay, I'll open the drive first and I'll click on new folder and name it N8N testing. This was the folder. Okay, so we need to create new Google Docs and save them here. For that, go back, folder name, search for. It's not giving any ID. We can search by ID. This is the ID. Simply copy the ID, paste the ID. And we'll name it Doc1. Let's see. Okay. And here a new doc is created. So make sure that you are connecting your drive account, make sure that you are connecting your all other like doc account, sheet account, or whatever. So moving forward, so we have connected our docs, so we'll proceed ahead to connect our YouTube account, we'll proceed to connect our Gmail account and all other accounts in this video itself. So the next part would be connecting, let's say, YouTube account. Okay, I'll simply go and click on new credentials. Here I have to add my details again. Simply go back, click on API services and enable YouTube. So in YouTube you will find that data API 3. We need to enable this API. Cool. Once done, click on credentials, create credentials. Again, we can do API key or oAuth. So I like to do using oAuth. Just saves time every time. YouTube create. Client ID, paste it. Client secret, paste it, and then click on sign in. Again, it will redirect. Make sure that you are using the right Gmail account. Allow. Cool, this connection is also successful. We can change the name YouTube. Just keep it YouTube for now. Done. So I'll show a pretty awesome use case for YouTube. So our account is connected. So let me search for get a video. We'll use this YouTube which we just created. This is one of my client I'm working with. So you can simply go there and copy the ID of the account. Come back, paste the video ID, and we can just keep it as it is. Cool. So it has given us the details of the video, it has given us the channel ID, title, description, and all the things we need. So we can do multiple operations using the YouTube field. So I was working with one of the client who wanted to analyze their comment section. So we analyzed the comments and we saw around they have received almost 16,000 comments in last 2 years when they started YouTube, including every comment on their shorts, on their video. And then we decided to analyze them and then present them a detailed report, and it now happens continuously every week, so that they are well aware of their content and how the audience is engaging with them. So now we have successfully connected our docs, oAuth, we have connected our drive, we have connected our Google or YouTube. Now the next part would be connecting our Google Sheets. Google Sheets is one of the important use case because we use Google Sheets quite often. So let me just show you that as well. Simply enable it. Cool. So we have enabled it. Go to credentials, create new credential, then oAuth. web application, Google Sheets. You have to create a new credential. Click the redirect URI, go there, paste it, come back, save the client ID, save the client secret, and then click on sign in. Done. I'll simply name it Google Sheets. So we have saved Google Sheet as well. So we have different operations available. And let's say we want to create a Google Sheet with the title N8N testing, and we can add sheets like sheet 723 There are different options available, but we'll just stop it there. Execute. Sheet is created. And if we go to the Google Sheets, we'll find N8N and we'll see the sheet name here. So that's how you can connect any Google service. The steps would remain same and you can simply learn it now. API and service, enable, write the name of the service and copy the client ID, copy the client secret and just log in. That's it. So if you are facing any difficulty in connecting these accounts, just comment and happy to help. Or if you're looking to work with me to implement any of these automations in your system, definitely check out my other videos and book a call with me. If you like the video, do like it, do subscribe the channel. And soon I'll be coming up with more videos where firstly I'll clear up the base, where I'll show you how you can connect your Supabase, your Postgres SQL, and then implement the RAG, and then we'll move forward with building more complicated agents, where I've built different agents like as I told you in the last video as well, like the YouTube reply agent, where your channel will go and reply to the queries like how can I join, how can I invest, how can I do this, will it happen with me, and various other questions of your audience. With time, we'll have more deeper learning about it. Have a great day. If you have questions, just comment. Thank you. Bye bye.